Jacob is petting Minji again and again. She remembered you, Jacob. Yeah, she remembers you. Hi, Minji. Hi, Minji. Minji. Oh, Minwoo is saying hi. Oh, stretching.
Up there, jump.
Oh,
He followed me.
he followed you. Oh.
Hi.
Hi, Minji. Why you so cute? Big and cute. That's your food? That's it? Nah, that's making you very big. Your food. Do you have
He's looking.
Minwoo, do you have a friend from the neighbor?
Me.
Are you still friend with that cat? Huh? From the neighbor? Huh? Do you still have friend? The neighbor friend?
He wants that.
No, he wants me to open that. That's only later. That's why.
Later.
Because he knows I opened this for him. This one. The frisky. But he just ate the other one. Minwoo, don't eat too much. You're getting big. Minwoo. Look at his tail.
It's wagging.
Wagging.
Wagging like a wag.
Oh.
Jump.
Jump.
He follows me.
Yeah, he knows jump. You wanna go inside? Not yet, Minwoo. Apo said.
Over here?
Apo said stay here first. Huh?
Jump.
Minwoo, Apo said stay. It's so cold here, Jacob. Are you cold?
No, I'm just gonna.
It's so cold in California. Huh?
Oh,
my gee.
Inji's doing SpongeBob.
It's even colder than our aircon in Florida, Jacob. Yeah?
It's okay.
Hi.
Wagging the tail in the
Yes,
floor.
kiss tita. Kiss tita. You kiss me? Minwoo is kissing tita. Kiss tita. Hi. Good morning.
Hi.
How about Minji? Oh. Smell first. This, Minji said, this boy grew so fast. Maybe Minji said, this my little boy, but now he's a big boy. Huh? You grew so fast, that's why, Jacob, Minji, and Minwoo are friends. Your best friends? Okay. You're thinking of eating again, huh? Stop. Too much. You have to exercise in the morning. Yeah. Morning sponge bath. Yeah. It's called morning sponge bath.
We play with the toy.
Play with the toy. That's what you do in the morning. Morning routine of a big cat.
Playing with
Morning
toys.
routine of a
Oh no! Oh no!
big black cat. Big black cat. Big black
He
cat.
accidentally did that.
Yeah. Put it back.
Yeah,
That's
so
what
we
they
can
do.
play.
Put it back, Nati.
Okay, I'm gonna put this over
Stand
here.
up and then rotate a bit. Just one. Yeah. Then he's gonna do it again. It's okay.
Here.
That's his toy. That's his morning exercise. He's gonna do it again. See? Ging, 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 ging. That's how you call the cat. Minwoo. You call the name like this. Minwoo. Yeah, that's how you call the cat. Minwoo.
Minnie,
Minwoo.
you're looking at me.
Yeah, because he said,
Oh,
why this boy is big now? He's just small before. Did you eat a lot like me? Minwoo said, do you eat a lot like me? Why you're big like me now?
oh, he likes it.
Yeah. Oh, now he's gonna scratch it again.
Jump!
No. He's gonna stretching.
Jump!
No, he's stretching.
Oh,
Oh,
he did it. He follows me.
I know.
He's lucky.
The other one is under. Bah. Hi, Minji. Why you hiding under? Are you not friendly today? Later. Okay, now this one. Now this boy is looking for his friend in the window, but that window is too high. You cannot go down even if you're a cat. You're gonna break your bones.
Yeah, even though
Minnow.
cats can land on their paws.
Yes, but this is too high. Oh.
Oh, no. Don't out.
The big boy, huh?
No.
He's a big boy.
He's waiting for the opening of the door.
Yeah, gustong papasok yan.
No, we just stay here. Pag pumasok, we cannot pet you na. You're hiding.
Jump.
Yeah. Oh,
He follows me.
he knows jump.
Yeah.
Good job, Minu.
Minnow knows.
Yes. He is smart boy.
Yeah.
Like you? You're both boy. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm tired filming you guys. Okay. Oh my god. Minu, who are you looking for? You looking for your friend? Your friend in the window? Huh?
The wild cat.
The wild. Maybe that's somebody's cat. It's not really wild cat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's waiting
What's
for
his-
someone's.
Minu, what's the name of your friend? Minu, you did not tell us the name of your friend yet. Huh? Your
I
friend
like
from the
it.
outside. What's the name of your friend? Minu wants to go to the garden over there. Huh?
Yeah. He's still a baby.
He's not a baby.
He's still.
Teen. Maybe he's a teen.
Yeah, because in cat had lifetime.
Look how big he is. He cannot be a baby. He's maybe a young adult.
Yeah,
or
because
teen.
in cat lifetime.
Yeah.
Oh, Minty's eating.
Okay, don't bother Minji. He wants to eat. She wants to eat alone. Morning breakfast. It's a breakfast. Minji, are you eating breakfast? Oh, oh, they're gonna share pa. Oh.
We gonna share.
This is the breakfast together. These cats are siblings.
Jump.
Minji and Minu.
Oh, there's a fly. Get the fly.
It's okay.
Minwoo, get the fly.
It's okay. The fly is okay.
I saw the fly flying in his cat. Oh, no.
Why?
He's not.
I just get the dustpan. Can you give me the dustpan?